Good morning! Welcome to day 26 of Morning Yoga Challenge. Let's begin this practice in extended child's pose. You can keep your knees closer or wider apart. Walk your hands far forward and sit your hips down towards your heels. Release forehead down to the mat and take a couple breaths in this pose. Gently stretching the hips and lower back. Extending your arms forward to stretch through the sides of the body. Then walk your hands over to the right and place your left hand on top of the right for a bit more stretch on the left side of the body. Breathe here. Then bring your hands to the left, right hand on top of the left. Take one more big breath. And walk your hands back to center. Come up to your hands and knees. Hands can stay a little more forward in front of your shoulders for this next move. Start making circles with your hips, shifting weight forward, to the side, back towards the heels, and to the other side. Then change direction for a few circles. And come back to neutral tabletop position. Bring your hands underneath your shoulders for simple cat and calf stretch. With inhale, lift your tailbone and chest up, look up. Exhale, press the floor away around the upper back, chin to chest. And keep moving with your breath a few more times. Arching the back on the inhale and rounding on the exhale. Keep moving in your cat and calf stretch or add a few torso circles. Just circling the body a few times in one direction and then a few times in another direction. Come back to a neutral spine. Step your left foot forward between your hands for low lunge. For this variation, reach your arms up and grab your right wrist with your left hand. With inhale, lengthen the spine a bit more. Exhale, lean to the left into side bend. Keep pressing down through your front foot and back shin to stay stable here. Release your hands down on the inside of your left foot. You can walk your foot a little more out for lizard. Lift your back knee and move a bit in this pose, shifting the weight forward and back, side to side, or making circles with your hips. Then lower your back heel down in line with the front heel for side angle. Bring your left forearm to your left thigh and extend your right arm up and over the head. Pressing down through the back foot, lengthening through the upper arm and hand. Big side stretch on the right. Take one more big press. And bring your hands and knees down back to tabletop position to repeat the same on the other side. Step your right foot forward. Reach your arms up and hold your left wrist with opposite hand. Lengthen the upper body with inhale. Exhale, side bend to the right. Keep gently pushing the hips down towards the mat and leaning a bit more to the right for a nice side stretch. Release your hands down to the inside of the foot. Lift your back knee and move your hips here, back and forth, side to side or in circles. For side angle, lower your back heel down in line with the front heel. Right forearm on the thigh, left arm reaches up and over the head. Keep breathing in and out through the nose. One more big breath inside angle. And release your hands and knees down. From tabletop, lower down to your belly into Sphinx Pose. Point your feet, position your elbows underneath your shoulders, forearms parallel. Press down through the forearms and lift your chest up and forward between your upper arms. If this position feels really comfortable, you can add some neck movements, maybe move your head side to side, some half circles, anything that feels nice on the neck. Take one more big breath in Sphinx. Then slide your hands back underneath your shoulders, tuck your toes under and lift your hips up into downward dog. Pedal out your feet a couple of times, pressing the heels down towards the mat. And pressing through your hands at the same time, keeping your spine nice and long. From downward facing dog, walk your hands back towards your feet into Malasana, yoga squat. Toes turned out, heels in. Sit your hips down and take any variation that you already know from the previous days. Or add a twist here. Release your right hand down to the mat as you lift your left arm up and rotate your chest up towards the ceiling. Take a big inhale. Exhale, left hand down to the mat, right arm reaches up. With inhale, rotate your chest a bit more up to the ceiling. And exhale, release your right hand down. A few more breaths in center here. Hands on the mat or palms together. Good job! Now cross your legs or sit down to your heels. Any comfortable position for one more breath together. Inhale, reach arms up to the sky. Exhale, palms to your heart. I hope you enjoyed your morning practice today. Let me know in the comments if you did. See you tomorrow for day 27 and have a nice day.